This is my portable ham radio setup. I use it to play radio because I can't do so in the house. I'm in a ground floor apartment. That's basically a Faraday cage. I call it the Radio Cube and I made it in 2020. It's constructed inside a 12 inch by 12 inch by 12 inch 30 centimetre cube that used to be a vinyl record LP flight case. It's got a lovely butterfly clasp at the front. You can lock it. That opens up to show a cork work surface inside. I have pass-throughs for antenna connections, USB, IF for looking at a waterfall, and plenty else. And these go straight into the radio, which is an ICOM IC-7100, which I've had since 2020 as well. It does HF right up to UHF. It has ventilation because the radio puts out a lot of power, generates quite a bit of heat as well. So to stop it cooking, there's fans at the back and at the top. You can use the radio from the work surface inside itself, or you can remove it, like I usually do, in the car, and use the extension cable that it comes with. It's got places to hang mics and accessories, cables, Morse key, etc, etc. It's got some controls, fan including speed control, a lamp for seeing in the dark, because I like to operate at night quite a bit, and it has, as everybody needs, a good powerful USB supply, including USB-C power delivery for charging my laptop. I love the ICOM IC-7100. I've had it since 2020 as well, and it's paired up with an automatic antenna tuner, which helps me get on to many more bands in the car, just using the standard ICOM microphones and other accessories. And I also have 300 watt-hours of lithium polymer batteries inside, so I can operate for a good handful of hours on full 100 watts shortwave without much issue whatsoever. I have a boost converter inside because this radio is particularly sensitive about voltages, so that keeps it always up at just under 14 volts. If you have any questions, stick them in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, or I might even see you live on twitch.tv/Ellen from now on sometime. I stream ham radio stuff there pretty much every week. See you later.